Meet Food Network's supermarket Stakeout competitor, entrepreneur, restaurant owner, and chef Jimmy Thomas. My friend is competing in the 2024 Favorite Chef competition powered by Colossal Management. Carla Hall presents Favorite Chef is a competition inviting chefs to compete for $25,000, a two-page advertorial feature in the Taste of Home magazine, and an exclusive cooking experience with a renowned chef. While there are many Fave Chef 2024 contestants, the reason you should vote for Chef Jimmy Thomas is because he understands the real secret behind this competition. You see, the truth is, while on the surface this appears to be just an online competition with social media flair, the real opportunity here is a chance to engage in a fundraising campaign. Donations from votes casted will be received directly by DT Care and then granted to the James Beard Foundation. We need all the support possible, so a free vote is great, but a charitable donation under Jimmy's link below is even better. Vote for Jimmy Thomas daily until Fave Chef voting closes on July 25th. Click on the link below and vote now.